Hey everybody, Jacob here with 4Connect, and today I would like to talk to you about the S3 Door Solution Pro, 4Connect's one-box solution to optimizing what we're trying to accomplish in a vehicle, and that is sound. How do we do it? Resonance control. Why is it important? Because at the end of the day, everything's got to be perfect. The S3 Door Solution Pro. It's a lot of words. What is it that we're doing? Essentially, this kit is exactly that. It is a kit. It is not a singular product. It is a series of products designed to essentially work together in an effort to control resonance. When we talk about damping, everybody goes, oh, it's vibration control. It all does the same thing. And that's absolutely not the case. So one of the reasons why this kit is so cool is it is a collection of individual pieces that is designed each for a particular instance. Again, what we're trying to do is control resonance. And how do we do that? It's real easy when we break down the products. The thing with the Door Solution Pro, again, we're talking a kit of products. And again, this one kit will do a pair of doors when used correctly. Now, that's not to say that you can't go overboard and, use this per door if you're really looking for that overkill style signature. But this kit is designed with everything inside to do a pair of doors in a standard installation. The cool thing about it, instructions are on the back on how to use the product and what particular order we're trying to do. And again, this whole kit is designed to help achieve the result of resonance control, noise control, eliminate unwanted road noise, all of these things without just a singular product that air quote does it all. So there, quick rundown, of the S3 Door Solution Pro. And I know we didn't really dive deep into it, but we'll save that for another day. It's a box. It's a bunch of cool products. And when used correctly, you are going to achieve some incredible results in your vehicle, whether it's an old school Honda Civic or a brand new BMW. This product is going to provide results. For more information, come on over to the website, 4-connect.com. And if you've got any questions, reach out. Let us know. Y'all have a good one.